Hello everyone, myself Gaurav Kumar. Today I am presenting a video on power sharing for class 10th civics. This video basically focus on the need and models of power sharing. At the end of the lesson, student will be able to define power sharing, understand the need of power sharing, discuss different models of power sharing in the modern democracies, and student will be able to differentiate between vertical distribution of power and horizontal distribution of power. So for the further discussion, I am presenting a video. Hello students. Today's topic for the discussion is power sharing. Power sharing is a process by which government share its powers at different levels and among its organs. Levels and organs. So power sharing is when government share its powers at the different level. Government share its powers between central government, state government, and local government. Under this model of power sharing, the topmost level of the government enjoys the maximum powers, and the bottommost, the lowest model, local government, exercise the least powers. This model of power sharing is also known as by the name federalism. About federalism, we will discuss in the next class. As we can see that this division is basically a vertical division. So another name for this division is vertical division of powers. Now come to the organs of the government. Under this form of the power sharing, government share its powers among the legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature, executive and judiciary. Under this form of the power sharing, all the substitute units like legislature, executive and judiciary, they all exercise almost identical powers or almost same powers. As you can see that this division is horizontal, so we use the term horizontal distribution of power for this model. And another term used for this form of the power sharing is separation of powers. Now we will discuss that why we need power sharing, or you can say the reasons for power sharing. We can divide the reasons of power sharing into two categories. One is prudential reason of power sharing, and another one is moral reason. Prudential reason means that power sharing is necessary to resolve conflicts among these regions. To resolve conflicts. And moral reason is basically a very spirit of democracy. So that maximum number of people can participate in decision making. Now we will discuss the models of power sharing. We have different models or form of power sharing. There are four in numbers. First two we have discussed already in the definition, that when government divides its power at different level. For example, central government, state government and local government. Second model of power sharing, when government divides or shares its power among the different organs. Examples: legislature, executive and judiciary. The third model of power sharing is when government share its power with different social groups. For example, community government in Belgium. Under this model of power sharing, the different social groups, irrespective of their number or percentage in the total population, they have equal representations in the community government. Fourth model of power sharing is when government shares its power among different political parties or pressure groups. India is one of the best examples of this fourth model of power sharing, because in India we share the powers among different political parties. The different political parties, they come together under the coalition government and form the government. Thank you.